You've just bagged yourself some 29% budget fire. £70 for 10 grams. Absolute bargain vibes. You rip it open, stick your nose in, ready to be transported down to Flavour Town, and nothing. Not even a faint whiff of hay. Just dead air. It's like buying a scented candle that smells of absolutely nothing. Welcome to my white cookies experience. If you're new to the channel, welcome, but if you're not new to the channel, welcome back, my actual dudes, lady dudes, and any other dudes in between. My name's Smokey McGreen, and we cover all things medical cannabis here in the UK. Today, we're checking out White Cookies by Kasa Verde, the Green Carrot sister company. These are the same guys that blessed us with the drool-worthy Pave S1, so naturally, expectations were high. On paper, it's a belter, Girl Scout cookies crossed with White Widow. Rocking 29%, grown in Canada and packaged over here by Zeal, and sold at a tidy £7 a gram in the budget bracket. Sounds good, right? Well, let's get into it. So let's talk nose. Or should I say, lack of nose.
Something doesn't smell right.
Opening this bag was like opening a fridge where you've already eaten everything inside it. Nothing there. Not fruity, not gassy, not earthy, just blank. Now, to be fair, Cantourage rarely put in a Boveda. So as always, I played the waiting game. Into the glass jar it went. Boveda chucked in, and give it some time.
It's a wait and give now.
But even after a few days, still not a great deal there. It wasn't until I left it alone for nearly a week, like literally forgot about it, that it finally started showing signs of life. And when it did, it definitely leaned Girl Scout cookies dominant for me. Doughy sweetness, like slight nuttiness, but muted. Like cookies with a cold. Straight out of the bag though, it just screamed bland 2019 Canadian import. Now here's where White Cookies redeems itself slightly. Because visually, this one is a stunner. Dense, chunky nugs with a nice bounce back and a healthy frost of trichomes. If we were judging purely by looks, this one would be sitting next to the heavy hitters in your lineup. And remember, no flour shown here to keep things nice and compliant. But there is a short linked in the video description if you want to see what we're talking about. Quick one, my dudes. If you're enjoying the review so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. There's loads more UK medical flower reviews coming up. Plus clinic guides and just general patient content. Subscribing costs you absolutely nothing, but it just ensures that you don't miss any more of my videos in future. Now, let's get into the effects. Because this is where White Cookies put some respect back into its name.
What's my name? Say my name, bitch!
Despite the lack of smell and taste, the effects are no joke. That 29% feels legit. It's a strong, relaxing buzz. Proper body melt with enough heady weight to keep you glued. I'd say it's useful for winding down in the evening, chronic pain, or kicking stress in the arse. It's definitely got some medical merits to it. The problem is, for me, cannabis is about the whole experience. And when two major pillars, taste and aroma, are missing, it just doesn't hit the same. So here's my take. Would I buy White Cookies again? Honestly, nah. I mean, it's not trash. It looks the part, the price is right, and it does the job. But with so many better options out there in the UK medical market, I don't see myself going back for this one. It's a shame because with Green Carrot behind it, I was expecting a lot more. So for me, White Cookies is firmly on the one and done list. So that has been my honest review of the White Cookies. If you've had it yourself, let me know down in the comments what you thought. Maybe your batch smacked better than mine. And as always, don't forget to give the video a like if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. And trust me, we have got some absolutely belting stuff coming up. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of that. And if you've sent me a request on Instagram and your account looks like it was made 2 minutes ago, you're going to sit in the request section. So drop me a message if I haven't accepted your request on there. So for the outro today, we're going to try something a little bit different. And you can also let me know how this goes down as well, okay? They promised me cookies, delightful and sweet. But I tell you, my dudes, it was more like plain wheat. The buds, they looked lovely, all frosty and tight. But smoking the stuff was a flavourless plight. The high, it was decent. It did pack a whack. But the taste left me cold, so I won't hurry back. So to Canada's growers, I give you this plea. Next time add some flavour. And think about me. Go on, Pamez. And as I always like to say, peace out, Cub Scouts. Keep it real. Keep it bloody gangster. Till the next time.